high-frequency signals, fast interoperability. Metal shielding to prevent interference, reliable in complex environments. Stainless steel SMA female to MHF4 SMA MHF4KJ. Fourth generation U.FL male to SMA female. First and second generation U.FL male to SMA male. Various interface formats for convenient and versatile installation. High-quality materials, heat-resistant and corrosion-resistant. Strong adaptability and flexible compatibility. Comes in a variety of styles and specifications. Welcome to order now.